To add the domain in InfinityFree, follow these simple steps. Sign up for InfinityFree. First, sign up or log into your InfinityFree account at infinityfree.net. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your client area. Add your domain to InfinityFree. Navigate to the control panel. In the cPanel dashboard, scroll to the domain section. Click on Add on Domains if you want to add a new domain to your hosting account. Enter your domain name in the box provided. If you're using a domain registered elsewhere, input the domain name and create a subdomain. Set up DNS records. Now, go to your domain registrar's website and log into your account. Update the DNS settings to point to InfinityFree's name servers. You can find these name servers in the Account Settings section of your InfinityFree control panel. For example, wait for propagation. DNS changes may take up to 24 hours to propagate. Once done, your domain will be linked to InfinityFree and you can start using it with your website.